So you came here to learn how to play Overwatch with on the PC with a PS4 controller, and it's actually like super easy. It's not that complicated. The only programming you're probably gonna need in my case, I guess it's easiest way that I've found out is a program called DS4. It'll be this one here, DS4 Windows by Jay's Two Kings. I already have it, but I'm gonna download it in this tutorial to show you how to set it up and everything. So I'm going to download the zip folder here and save. And it's a good thing to have a WinRAR. You don't need to, but I use it. You can use 7-zip, you can use whatever. WinRAR is a free program. It's just called WinRAR. It's right here. It'll be in a site called RAR Labs. That's what you want. And it'll be this one, or 32-bit or 64-bit or whatever you want. But that's the one that I'm going to go to. Open. And I'm just going to extract these to, here, just take cancel. I'm going to make a folder right here. Just going to call it DS4. Why not? Oh, whatever. That'll be it. DS $. So here, and extract to my desktop DS $. Okay. Close that. You can close that. And then you can open up DS4. So when you open up DS4, before you do it, plug in your controller through your USB connector, your charger cable, into your PC. So I'll do that right now. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to click on this guy right here. I'm going to delete this one just so I can show you how to profile. Okay, okay, this one here. I want to new profile. Perfect. So this is how you can set it up. It's actually pretty simple, to be honest. It auto sets up the controllers. So if I unplug this, it goes away, and then I plug it back in, it comes up. You can change the light, which is pretty cool. Change from blue, put red on there. Most of them will be white, but as you can see, without even setting up, like this is my 6-axis, my left and right thing, the gyros and all that bull crap. The amount I can press the buttons. That's why I like DualShock 4s. So I'll go over here to settings, and this is where you could set a few things, like check for updates when you start up easily. I like to run it on startup so that right when I open up my thing, I can just start playing Overwatch or start playing Call of Duty or whatever. This will work for most games, depending on if they're from Steam. If they're from Steam, you could just plug your controller right into your computer and it'll work. It'll work automatically. But here, I'll prove that this is working. Okay, yes. So yeah, new profile. That's this one. Okay, that's to set up an Xbox. I don't want to set up Xbox. Okay, so it'll show. See what I mean? Like it'll set up, and it'll change it from, because if you plug in a Xbox One controller through the wired or through a Bluetooth connector or whatever, it'll automatically do it because it's a Windows computer and Xbox or Windows and all that. This just changes it. So as you can see up here, cross or the X button would be the A button, circle would be B. You could change all this too, right? If I wanted square to be triangle, I could set it up like that. It's not that hard. But I'm going to keep square as the X button there. So yeah, it all sets up, and then I'll just exit everything, and I will boot up Overwatch. A cool thing about DS4 that I like, don't close it, I made a mistake. Don't close DS4, because it needs to run. I'm just an idiot. Cool. Nope. Okay, come on. There you go. Are you oh my god. That is hilarious. That is actually really funny. It has to update, of course, the right time when I want to record. What other games can I show you that this works on? Oh, it works on Fallout. Yeah, so it'll work on any Steam game, really, depending. If you look when you buy the game or when you download the game, it'll say right on it if it's capable, right? See, it's my see, this is my mouse. Oh, you can't even see my mouth. Look at that. So settings. Let's just turn this audio way the hell down. No. There. So yeah, when you're playing the game, it'll say, you know, A to pick up something. It'll be X because that's what you mapped it to or whatever. Yeah. So I mean, it's quite easy. It's really one of the easier things I've ever found trying to play games. The one problem I had with DS4 is it doesn't work with PS3 controllers. I don't think so. I don't want to test. There is a program for that. I forget what it's called. I'll just PS3. Where is it? Shoot. I guess that'll be for another video. It's pretty much the same deal. It's just you have to download profiles and all that thing. But this, it'll set up automatically and it's great. The one thing you can't do is obviously unplug your controller during a game, because if you unplug it during a game, you're gonna have to save and close out without like using keyboard, because it's gonna have to reset up and all that bullcrap. But yeah, so that's the video. I hope you like it. See you later. Oh fuck. So that's the video. Hope you like it. I'll see you later. There, that's better.